Hi guys, Chris Young. Behind the camera we have Dave Lemeth. You might hear a little bit of background noise. That's because we are in our new shop. So we moved into our new facility here in Elk Grove Village. We're still only a few minutes from O'Hare International Airport, so if you guys are in the area, we welcome you here. Also keep in mind we can do virtual demos. So we have a full demo room set up inside, and we can host a virtual demo at your convenience, or you can arrange for a demo van visit. But today we happen to notice in our shop we have a unit being assembled here, and this is a full sanitary upgrade to our 7534. So it comes with such niceties as full welding, as you can see, magnetic interlocks, sanitary gaskets, standoffs, and a host of other upgrades to the system, including solid rollers. Okay. Now this particular unit has a couple neat things, and that's why we wanted to take a quick video. First one is 100mm extension covers. So quite often we'll add these in for longer products, and it just adds another curtain on the end. So if you have a longer product, maybe two curtains are open, but one is always shut, just to decrease any emissions coming out. And you can see we extended the conveyor out the same amount. The other thing is on the reject side. So this particular reject is our standard flipper, so it's a KRA 4104, and we upgraded it with a couple things. So the first off is, well, you can see this has got the low friction interface. So this is the curtain interface to reduce any friction and wear on the curtains. So those will go on. But then we upgraded this system with a solid frame and sanitary feet. And then we also created a mounting plate for it and attached it to our AIUS standard reject bin. Now these we stock in our office here, and they are quite nice, so you can see nice cutouts for visibility throughout the system. We have drainage slots along the bottom as well. Okay, and there's cutouts in the bottom. Everything is angled, so everything is very easy to clean and sanitize, and of course very, very high quality standoffs throughout. Now this one also has on it a bin full sensor. Okay, so if the reject bin gets too full, it'll go ahead and alarm out. You could also get reject verification sensor, but this one does as well on the pass side. And it may even have a low air pressure sensor, and that's what we call our HACCP kit. One other nice thing about this reject is this is the standard belt. You can hear it's kind of a low friction belt, so it helps reduce any friction to get the products off and allows it to come in. The reject would actually extend out, product would ride in, and then it would retract back into the bin. So just a nice example of standard upgrades for the systems. Again, we just created a solid frame, sanitary feet. This is a standard unit, and we do have one other modification to it. We have our upgrade kit that comprises of 3 items. We have the stack light cage, washdown cover, and then also a new USB drive cover. That comes off of our M6 metal detector. Thanks for spending some time checking out the model in our shop. We'll have more for you next time. Thanks.